Okay, some of you have the iPivo mobile board stand. If you are wanting to transport your board, all you need to do is make sure that all four of your casters are unlocked. So each wheel has its own caster to unlock. You would make sure that they're up in the up position is unlocked. You also want to make sure that the board is in the lowest position possible. So using the remote control, you want to lower the board to the lowest position possible. And then using the handles, being certain not to press on or apply pressure to the front of the board of the TV, you could then just simply move and take the board to another class or another location if you have the mobile stand. It's always a good idea to have two people, one on each side with you. Again, using the handles when you're turning or moving the board so that you don't accidentally apply too much pressure. When you get your board into your new location, simply set it up, ensure that all four casters have been securely locked, and then you can raise the board to the height that you want to. But very important that the board is at its lowest position when you are transporting the board from one location to the next.